Alright guys, diecastmania here with another video. So today I've got a video on the 2014 Hess Miniature Sport Utility Vehicle, or SUV. This is a scaled down version of their 2004 Hess truck. You can buy these at Hess gas stations in the US for about $7.99 plus sales tax. Not a bad deal. So it's got a nice box, kind of retro styling. You know, it's got a window, just illustrated with the front of the truck or SUV, and there's the back of it. There's the information like website hesstoytruck.com. There's the back window. Anyway, let's get into this. Okay, so get this out of here. Pull this, and there's a little instruction booklet. One Energizer AAA battery is already installed, so there we go. Okay, so it's on this display plate. Go look at it. Unlock it. And pull to operate. There we go. So first off the bat, it's plastic. Got a sort of pullback, I guess. It's a pretty strong motor. It's got rubber tires. It's the back. All the windows are black plastic. So in my opinion, I kind of think it looks a bit like an H2. I got the H2 McDonald's toy from 2006. So you can kind of see like the door lines and everything, the front, just like the lines on the vehicle itself. As you can see, they borrowed pretty heavily from the H2, and the rest of it, this back, kind of looks like the one of those back canopy covers on the pickup truck. Because pretty sure they didn't take too much from the H2 because one, GM was pretty strong about the copyrights and the patents on it at the time, and Chrysler got really upset with the 7-slot grille design, so they didn't want anyone else doing anything like that at the time. So anyway, turns on. Let me turn off the lamp. So it's kind of a faint glow, I guess. It's actually coming on brighter now. So the rear brake lights come on, illuminates the license plate, which is Hess 2014. This is Hess there. And the headlights. So there you go. It's a pretty cool little piece. Definitely pick one of these up while you can. I believe they just became available in like July. So guess this is supposed to hold you over until the big Hess trucks come out in the November to December. So anyway, there you go, the 2014 Miniature Hess truck. Thanks for watching.